what is up? So the Makeup Institute of Los Angeles sent me over 3 more palettes, you guys. So let's jump into it. All right, so they sent over the CEO palette. They sent over the Boss Babe palette, and they sent over the Royal Queen palette, which is what we are going to be creating this look with today. All right, so for the CEO palette, it looks a little something like this on the outside, almost kind of looks like granite to me, kind of like an office. And then you open it up and it is so stunning. It is so stunning. Love that pop of blue in there. I cannot wait to create a dark, silvery, smoky eye with a pop of color with this. Then we have the Boss Babe palette, which looks a little something like this. And you open it up and it is so gorgeous, you guys. Look at those shades, how vibrant and just so bright and colorful. Love it. Then last but not least is the Royal Queen palette, and she looks a little something like this. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. All right, so the first shade we're going to use in the Royal Queen palette is this shade right here, and this is called Roller. And I'm just going to take that on a tiny brush and sketch out the shape of the eyeshadow. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade called Countess, which is right here. And we are just going to blend that out even further. I'm gonna take this all the way up to the brow. All right, so now we're gonna take this darker shade up here called Maiden, and I'm just going to really deepen up that whole crease area. I'm gonna go ahead and put that color on the outer corner of the eye as well. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Lady Laid, which is a really beautiful kind of shimmery metallic. And that's just gonna go right on the lid. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Velvet, which is a really pretty lilac-y kind of shimmery metallic as well. And that's gonna go right in here as kind of a base for the glitter in the palette. All right, so now we are going to take Royal Jewels. You guys, can we talk about it? Look how stunning that is. And I really wanted to play off of that kind of lilac-y glitter that's in there and lay it down on top of this. Then we're gonna take a little bit of Royal Purple here, just the tiniest amount of this, and I'm just going to kind of make that right in there blend a little bit better. Okay, so on our waterline area, I'm gonna use these 2 liquid lipsticks by Hank and Henry. This one is called Miss Thing, and this one is called Sangre. I couldn't really decide what I wanted to do, so we're just gonna do both and kind of do like an ombre effect on our waterline area. So I'm gonna start with Sangre, really wipe off that excess product. And I'm just gonna go right in. It's my lips, my body. I don't use these on anybody else, so I'm using them on my eyes. And then we will finish it off with Miss Thing. Like so. Now I'm gonna go in with that deep cranberry shade again called Maiden and butt that right up against Sangre, kind of connecting it with that outer corner area. Then I'm going in with ruler, connecting that up, and then ending that with Countess. Then on the front of the lower lash line area, I'm going in with Velvet. We're pretty much just applying the same colors as we did on the lid. And then on top, I'm going to apply a little bit of that glitter again. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brow off camera, and we will be right back to finish off the eye. All right, so now I'm gonna take those liquid lipsticks again, and we're gonna take Sangre first. And I'm gonna take a tiny little brush, and we're just gonna underline the brow. Taking my little dotting tool now, I'm just going to apply some dots using those same liquid lipsticks. And then we will apply some lashes. These are Bepelin lashes. Look a little something like that. And now that we've got our lashes applied, I'm gonna go in with Nova Beauty's lip liner in Magenta 01. Just going to line my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with Nova Beauty's lipstick in Royalty, which is very fitting for this look considering we used the Royal Queen palette. And I'm just going to, I think I'm gonna put this on the outer corners of the lips, and then we will put a little bit more of that lip liner. Applying a little bit of Nova Beauty's Period to my lips. Right into the center. And there we are. And this is the final look, you guys. Well, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I just want to say a big thank you to Makeup Institute of Los Angeles for sending me yet 3 more palettes. Thank you guys so much. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.